welcome to my channel. I do still do tech videos. I know I've kind of moved more into music and playing some live streams and stuff like that, but every now and then I still want to throw a good tech video for, you know, the 5 people out there that like that stuff. So today I thought I'd go over like the difference between a $250 green screen collapsible by Elgato versus like a $30 one you can get at Amazon. So let's start with the Elgato green screen. When I first saw this in the store, I was like, this is amazing. This is the kind of green screen I want. It's gonna be great for being portable, and like it's so easy to open and close, and it's very cool. But there was one major drawback for what I was looking for. Basically that it's not that big. I mean, look, I'm already out of the frame. I have to be crunched in. That's why I'm crunched in right now. I could obviously be a little bit further back, like that. But as a musician, there's not a lot of room to try to be in there. It's not big enough. So on one hand, it's very compact and easy to open and close, but on the other hand, it's small. But look at the view. Lighting is a huge part of pulling off good green screens, and you need at least 4 lights, in my opinion. A light on each side, maybe one down at the bottom shooting up, and then a front light for the subject. I just got like cheap work lights from the local hardware store. These were like maybe $20, $30. So having kind of explained that, I'm not really here to show you how to key. I use Final Cut Pro and just throw the color key on there. It's pretty easy. With Mimo Live, there's a way to key it out as well, so that way you can have your live streams and do all that stuff, which is what I do a lot of. And a lot of people ask me about it. That's why I'm making this video. So I decided to venture out and try something different, and I spent about $30 and got a 10 foot by 10 foot, which is like 3 meter by 3 meter. And wow, it worked really well. I went to the store and bought a really long like curtain rod, and so I have it going from one side to the other and have that on there so that I can just pull it across when I need to. As you can see, this one doesn't really stretch the full wall, which is kind of annoying. So I went out, actually bought another one from Amazon as well. But this one should be able to fill the whole wall and probably a little bit more. Here we go. So this is the new green screen up on the wall. As you can see, it stretches a little bit further. This one I can stretch a little bit more to have a little bit more flexibility. That should be pretty good. I just have to fix the lighting a little bit over there. So am I gonna keep the Elgato one? Is it useful to me? Honestly, no. I actually just sold it. They're coming over to pick it up today, but I won't show them this video. So there we go. That's the difference between a $30 one and a $250 one. I hope you found this helpful. If you're looking for green screens or green screen advice, I'm sure there's plenty of tutorials out there on how to do it. It's pretty simple. If you get the right lighting, that's gonna make all the difference. All right, see you guys in the next one. Hope you enjoyed that. This channel is just kind of, you know, about having fun and exploring different ways to do some of this cool tech that we have here in this world. Wow, that was terrible. But subscribe anyways. More stuff happening. Excited to play some more music for you guys and bring you all part of the process. Growing this channel. Is that 20 seconds? 20-second end screen. Come on now. Come on now. It's the end.